All right. Video 2, weight. It should be much shorter because I went on for way too long. So weight, you see the definition, you can read the definition. There's some examples of weight, and here's some conversions. So pounds to ounces, not to be confused with fluid ounces, which are not always used. I was thinking about that. Oh, I'm ranting already. I was cooking the other day and I was thinking how stupid it is we call them fluid ounces, when a lot of times in cooking we don't use them necessarily for fluids. Anyway, and pounds for a ton. We're not talking about fluid ounces right now anyway. So let's start with some conversions. We're going to do these conversions just like we did the conversions in the previous video. Okay, so let's go. Uh-oh, we can see a little bit of last video. That's fine. All right, we're 5.5. Oh, my pen's hitting my camera. That's not good. All right, example 5.5. I'm losing it today. All right, we want to convert 72 ounces to pounds. All right, so again, just like last video, 72 ounces. And we want this to be in pounds. So we look at our table and we say, what's the relationship between pounds and ounces? Well, we say, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Now, I don't know if this bothers you or not. My L's look identical to my 1's. Sometimes you can make your 1's like this, like you're doing hangman or something. It doesn't bother me. You can find your own way to cope with this. But here we go. So we can write any number as itself divided by 1. We want to relate pounds and ounces. We're going to have ounces be on the bottom so that they cancel. 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. Ounces cancel. And we have 72 pounds divided by 16. And we divide that out. And I don't think that divides super easily. So we can go into Desmos and say, okay, what's 72 divided by 16? 4.5. All right. So our final answer is going to be 4.5 pounds. 72 ounces, 4.5 pounds. Okay. That's all there is to it. It's just the same thing as the last video, just with different numbers. So pause the video and then try parts B and C, and then I'll go through them fairly quickly. Pause now. All right, hopefully you paused. Here's parts B and C. So part B was 6,500 pounds to tons. That's not how you abbreviate pounds. We want to make this into tons. And 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. What's the abbreviation for ton? I don't even know. Is it just ton? Wait, I'm Googling something. And the abbreviation according to Google is SH.T. I'm not writing SH.T in my math videos. What is that? All right, I'm just gonna write 1 ton. All right, so we have this. Like, this is what it looks like. SH.T. No, it looks even worse when I cross it out. Okay. So pounds are going to go on the bottom because we want the pounds to cancel. And 1 ton is going to be on the top. 6,500 divided by 2,000. I think, if I can do my mental math correctly, is going to be 3.25 tons. All right, part C should be pretty similar. 115 tons to ounces. And this is just like last video, right? If you know the tons to ounces, that's great. Or you can just do it in 2 steps. All right, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. And then 1 pound is 16 ounces. And again, pounds to ounces, be very careful because 8 fluid ounces is a cup. 16 ounces is a pound. They're different things. So we're going to multiply by tons on the bottom so that they cancel. And we're going to have, wait, this is going to be so many ounces, 115 tons? That's a lot of ounces. Goodness gracious. All right. I'm not doing this in my head. 115 tons times 2,000. That's 230,000 pounds. And then 2,000. Nope, we already did that one. Nice try. 1 pound. This is why math people say not to do things in pen, but I just like pens, so I make the rules now. 16 ounces is 1 pound. The pounds cancel, so we just multiply this number by 16. And we multiply this number by 16, and we're going to get a big number. 3,680,000 ounces. That's a lot of ounces. Wow. Get a little enthusiasm going with your homework. All right. And that's this example. One more example, and this video should hopefully be shorter than the last one. Example 5.6. So 5.6 says, the post office charges 44 cents to mail an item that weighs an ounce or less. The charge for each additional ounce or fraction of an ounce of weight is 17 cents. At this rate, how much will it cost to mail a package that weighs 2 pounds and 3 ounces? So let's write down the information. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Don't worry about solving the problem in your head. Don't worry about knowing exactly what to do. Let's just write down what we know. Okay, so it's 44 cents for an ounce or less. And for an additional ounce or a fraction of an ounce, it's going to be 17 cents. 17 cents for additional ounces. So when it says or fraction of an ounce, that just means rounded up. Right? So if I have something that's 1/8 of an ounce, I'm going to have to still pay for the whole ounce. Okay? So you want to mail something that's 2 pounds and 3 ounces. So right off the bat, if you can get this information down, you're most of the way there. Tons of partial credit. But hopefully something should jump out at you. We want to know how much it costs. Right. We want to know the cost of something that's 2 pounds and 3 ounces. All of this price stuff is in ounces. So this being in pounds is a problem. We don't know anything about costs for pound. So let's convert this to ounces so that we can figure out how many ounces it's going to be. All right, so let's do that. We need to convert this to ounces. So we have 2 pounds, 3 ounces. And the question is, how many ounces is this? So we already have, this is already fine. This over here needs some work. How many ounces is 2 pounds? Well, 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 2 pounds, we could follow the steps, is going to be 32 ounces. So something that's 2 pounds and 3 ounces is 32 ounces and 3 ounces. So combine that together. We want to ship something that's 35 ounces. So the question then becomes, what is the cost of shipping something that's 35 ounces? And we said earlier that the first ounce is 44 cents. And after that first ounce, every additional ounce is 17 cents. All right, so we have 35 total. The first is going to be 44 cents. How many additional ounces are there? There are 34 additional ounces. And those are going to be 17 cents each. So we have to pay the 44 cents, and they have to pay 34 of these. So we're going to have 44 cents and 34 additional ounces. 44 cents, 34 of the 17 cents. And we add that up in a calculator. All right, so what do we have? We have 0.44 plus 34 times 0.17. That is 6.22. So that's almost our final answer. It's been a while since I've written on paper again, sorry. Try to get the cropping, everything in the picture. And that's in dollars and cents. So it's going to cost us $6.22 to ship this. Voila. Good luck.